Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Threads from the beginning. So all what you have to do first is download Threads from the App Store or the Play Store if you have Android or iOS. And after this you have to open Threads app like this. Now here you will find your account. All what you have to do is fill these informations from the name to the bio and link, and then click next right here in the top. After that, as you can see, you have to choose if you want your profile public or private. I'm gonna choose public and then click continue. Now all what you have to do is follow a few people that you want to follow from here and then click again next. And now all what you want to do is click down here on join Threads. As you can see, now this is the home page of Threads app. Now all what you want to do is wait a few seconds and you will find the explore page or the home page, as you can see right here. And right here you will find your profile. As you can see, this is my profile. I still don't have any followers and nothing right here. And here you will find your threads and the replies from here. And if you want to share your profile, you can share it from here on this button. And if you want to write a new post on Threads, all what you want to do is click here on this icon, and now you can write a post. For example, hello world. Now click down here on post. Now as you can see, this is my thread or my post on this new app. And if you want to edit your profile, as you can see, you can edit it from here, and right here you will find other options, as you can see, from the language, account, privacy, notifications. Now this is it. It's very simple and easy app. And right here you will find the notifications. Now don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.